Ango Icon Pack is an Android application designed to customize the user interface of smartphones by providing a unique collection of icons. This app features a wide range of beautifully designed icons that cater to various app categories, allowing users to personalize their home screens and app drawers with a distinct aesthetic. The Ango Icon Pack is characterized by its modern and vibrant design, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. It typically includes thousands of icons, ensuring coverage of most popular applications, and often comes with a set of matching wallpapers to create a cohesive look. Compatibility with various Android launchers is a highlight of the Ango Icon Pack, enabling users to easily apply the icons and achieve the desired style without technical hassle. Additionally, the app may offer regular updates to include new icons and features, ensuring that users can keep their devices looking fresh and updated. Overall, Ango Icon Pack is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to enhance their Android device's visual appeal and express their personal style.